Imagine waking up every single day and seeing money added to your account without working a 9 to 5. Money bag. No boss. No fixed hours. Just smart income. Sounds unrealistic? Well, in 2026, it's not. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 real passive income apps that can actually pay you daily. And make sure you stay till the end. Because the last app is something most people don't even know about. Hey everyone, my name is Dev. And I create content around making money online, side hustles, and financial freedom. Now let me be clear. This is not a get-rich-quick video. These apps won't make you a millionaire overnight. But if you use them smartly and consistently, they can create a solid daily income stream. Google Opinion Rewards. Let's start with one of the most trusted apps, Google Opinion Rewards. This app is backed by Google, so yes, it's 100% legit. You basically answer short surveys and earn money for your opinions. White right pointing backhand index. Each survey takes less than 30 seconds. White right pointing backhand index, you can earn around 10 cents to $1 per survey. Bullseye Pro Tip. Turn on location tracking. It increases your survey frequency. App2, Honeygain. Next up, one of the most passive apps on this list, Honeygain. This app pays you for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Install it once. Let it run in the background. Get paid automatically. It's not huge money, but it's completely passive. App3, ClipClaps. App number 3 is ClipClaps. If you spend time watching videos, why not get paid for it? Watch entertaining clips. Earn coins. Convert into real cash. This is perfect for beginners who want zero-effort income. App4, Meesho. Now let's talk about something more scalable, Meesho. This app allows you to resell products without any investment. Share products on social media. Set your own profit margin. Earn on every sale. Once you build a system, this can turn semi-passive. App5, TaskBucks. Next is TaskBucks. You complete small tasks and earn daily rewards. Download apps. Take quizzes. Complete offers. Consistency is key here. App6, Foap. App number 6 is Foap. This one is amazing for creators. Upload your photos. Brands buy them. You earn money per sale. Even smartphone photos can sell. App7, Rakuten. Finally, a hidden gem, Rakuten. This app gives you cashback on everyday purchases. Shop normally. Earn cashback. Get paid via PayPal. You're already spending money. Now you earn while doing it. Important reality check. Let's be honest for a second. These apps alone won't make you rich. But combine them. Stay consistent. Scale smartly. And you can build a real side income. So those were 7 passive income apps that can actually pay you daily. Now I want to ask you, which app are you going to try first? Comment below. If you found value in this video, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real ways to make money online. And I'll see you in the next one.